Experience the warmth of Brazilian comfort food with this extended Bolinho de Chuva recipe, a beloved treat in Brazil known for its simplicity and delightful taste. Bolinho de Chuva, which translates to raindrop cake, is a perfect snack for cozy afternoons or family gatherings. Begin by whisking together eggs and sugar in a large bowl until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for giving the bolinhos a light texture. Gradually add milk, continuing to whisk until well combined. The milk adds moisture and richness to the batter. In a separate bowl, sift together all-purpose flour and baking powder. The baking powder is essential for making the bolinhos light and airy. Gradually fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, stirring gently to avoid over-mixing. For an aromatic touch, add a hint of vanilla extract or the zest of a lemon. These flavors provide a subtle but delightful fragrance to the bolinhos. Heat vegetable oil in a deep pan or fryer. The oil should be hot enough so that when a small amount of batter is dropped in, it sizzles and rises to the surface. Using 2 spoons, carefully shape small portions of the batter into balls and drop them into the hot oil. Fry the bolinhos in batches, turning them occasionally until they are golden brown and puffy. This usually takes a few minutes. Once the bolinhos are fried, remove them with a slotted spoon and drain them on paper towels to remove excess oil. While they are still warm, roll them in a mixture of cinnamon and sugar. This coating adds a sweet and spiced flavor that complements the soft, cakey interior. Serve your Bolinho de Chuva hot and fresh. They are best enjoyed immediately with a cup of coffee or tea. These little raindrop cakes are a staple in Brazilian homes, offering a taste of comfort and joy with every bite. Enjoy your homemade Brazilian Bolinho de Chuva, a simple yet delicious treat that captures the essence of Brazil's culinary traditions. Whether you're sharing them with family or savoring them on a rainy day, these bolinhos are sure to bring a smile to your face.